Hello and welcome to another update of Tribe Social. We just pushed another version 0.12 live for you today. And I'm going to take just a few minutes here and just walk you through some of those changes, just let you know what we have done to improve Tribe Social and some of the new things you can do with the platform. So let me jump in here. All the updates are going to be on our website. I'll put a link in the description here, tribesocial.io. Go to updates, and then you can see all the updates here. So, a number of new features, and I'm going to walk through each one of these quickly and show you how it looks on the platform. So, new completed button. So if you move over to the platform here, you'll notice that you can now users can now mark episodes that they watch as completed. Very simple little tool here, but if I click into this, scroll down, there's a little completed button now, and this is on every piece of video. So users can mark if they've watched something or not, and if they click on it again, it basically just goes back to mark as completed. You click it, it marks it as completed. And so that way they, on all pages, users can see if they have watched content. So this is particularly helpful if you're trying to put a course together or something that's very step by step. Users can start to track what they watched and track progress. So all kind of leaning towards some updates we're going to be doing in the future that may have some more features for courses down the road. So we'll just see. Uh, Number two, we have the new content tags. So this is just something new that we've added. If you go to the dashboard, go into content, click into an episode here. We can go back here. Let's just see what I did there. Something wrong. Um, you can basically add tags to each episode. So if you're looking at a particular piece of content in the dashboard, I'll jump back to it real quick. When you're editing here, you can actually add a keyword or a tag to that video. So this isn't going to show up anywhere on the website just yet, but I'm going to show you some new changes that are coming to the home screen where these new tags are going to show up and users can quickly get to specific content on your platform. So that's the one thing there. And let's see here, what else do we got? So new content creator role. So as you know, there's a couple different user roles already for user available to you. So you have free, basic, premium. And then previously we just had admin. So between premium and admin, we've added a new role called creator. So this is just someone who's creating content on your platform. So let's say you have a website and you have multiple content creators or bloggers or people that are uploading content. You can now set them as a creator role. And what this does is it just allows them to see and edit their own content. So they can only create new content and they can only edit their own content. They can't see everybody else's content on your platform or make changes to it. So it's a cool thing if you just want to have people just maintaining and owning their own content. That's a great little feature for that. So that's the new content creator role. And we're going to be doing some cool things with that in the future. So this is just the first piece towards that. Last change here, I wanted to point out that I think is one of my favorite things is when you click into content, there's now a way to click view content here, which will take you to a particular post. So if you're working on a post and you want to just see how it looks, you can just click on that. It'll open a new tab and take you right to that specific content. So even if it's not part of a collection, or even if it's hidden or being published later, you can still preview the episode right there. So quite a handy little feature. And we've pushed some other updates as well, some smaller improvements. We've made the homepage full width. So if you're looking at the homepage, we used to kind of contain it to this little area here, but now it takes up the full width, a little bit more similar to how Netflix or potentially Hulu or one of those platforms may look, where it's kind of these rows and you can kind of scroll content in those rows. So we've done that. We've added some additional security for the Tribe API. More to come later on that. And a very small change, but something that was bothering me when you're on a platform and let's go ahead and just sign out. And you click sign in, you see how the email address field is just already selected for you? Can you just start typing right here? That just always bothered me, I guess, when you click sign in and it's right there. If you click create account, that first field, you can just start typing. You don't have to actually click a second time. I know it's a very small thing, but it bothered me every time it happened. So that is in there. A couple little bugs we fixed, some ads that potentially were overlapping. We fixed an incorrect support URL that was in there, and some of the articles were still getting a play button on them instead of just not having an icon. So those are the updates for version 0.12. As you can tell, we did update 2 weeks ago. This update, we've got another update coming in 2 weeks, and we're adding things constantly to the platform. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments below on any of these new features, or you can reach us at help@tribesocial.io. If you made it this far in the video, well done. I'm going to show you one more thing that's coming in that I wanted to show you as kind of a teaser for the new home screen. So we've been working on the home screen. This is a little mock-up of what the home screen will look like in the coming weeks. Um, and one of the things that happened is we never really spent a lot of time as a team thinking through different types of content, how to organize the content. We just had collections, and then you could order the rows and collections, and you could kind of set up this hero image how you want it. So we kept it really, really simple. It let us launch. But now we're thinking, how do we turn this into more of a content site? How to start to feel more like a YouTube type site or a video streaming platform? So we this is a concept we put together last week, and we'd love to hear feedback from you. So please let us know in the comments on YouTube or Facebook, wherever you're watching this. Let us know what you think. Write an email to us, help@tribesocial.io. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this design. And so what we've got here is kind of a collection at the top where you could feature different content, and then we've got topics. So we've introduced topics here. Topics are just groups of collections. Collections are groups of content. So that's could kind of feature different topics here, where you could potentially have we have like a level 1 training here, level 2, level 3, and then there's different collections of content inside that. Groups that are facilitators. If you have groups on your page, we could feature those groups, and then just some recently posted content, right? So if you're just posting a piece of content, you don't necessarily want to go and put it in a collection or all that. You just want to post it and let people see it. This should just show up there as well. So a couple other cool things. A search bar. Yes, we're bringing search finally to Tribe Social. We've not had search until now, and definitely wanted to build this in a really cool way. And so we've got that happening here at the top. And then we have this new kind of topic, not topics, but keywords or tags, this bar up here. So what will happen at the top here is it will look through all those tags across all of your videos and just feature the ones that are either the most popular or the ones that are getting tagged the most. And you can just click on that, and it's actually a clickable button. And then everything below will kind of reorganize to go grab all the content on the platform for production, right? So we're not taking full credit for this. We borrowed this idea from YouTube, and now we give away our sources on that. But YouTube has these kind of tags here they think you may be interested in. I don't know whose account I'm in because I don't listen to Justin Bieber, but this account thinks that I need to listen to that. So those are just things that the platform will pull from all your tags and create those little buttons at the top. And if you don't have any tags, it'll just be blank. If you start adding tags, it will kind of add those as you go. Last really cool thing is the left sidebar here. So we're able to add the topics kind of in these all caps area here, collection 1, and then 3 different episodes here. So you can always see that context. And these I think will kind of collapse and open. So you kind of open this, and potentially we would have like a check mark here. If you completed an episode, you could have that on the side there. So it's pretty cool to be finally adding some of these features here. We'd love to get feedback because this will change your home screen on Tribe Social. So please let us know in the comments. I'm seeing some questions here. Is there, inside of groups, is there a way to notify those in the group that made the post, that a new post has been made? notifications are coming at some point. We're thinking of a very clever way to do that between email, texting, and actual push notifications in the app. Not at the moment, but notifications will come soon. Uh, Thanks. People saying love the looks fantastic. Awesome. Yeah, let us know in the comments below what you think of this, and we'd love to get your feedback. As always, we go through all that. It gets brought into our Notion database of ideas and thoughts and feedback. So we're always looking through that, and we appreciate it. So have an awesome rest of your Tuesday. We'll be back in the next couple of weeks, hopefully with a new home screen. So